Hello. I hope the audio levels are good. So, yes. It is so nice to see Mumbai roads empty. Come on. This so just another level of peace that it's not crowded and oh yeah, I spoke too early, I guess. What? My mirror just gave up. What? So a lot of people, usually comment on my videos that what are the issues that you face with Meteor 350 as of now. So as of now, I have not faced much as of an issue. Like for example, people complain about the vibrations, and people also complain about the bike going, wiggle, 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 wiggle at high speeds. For me, there is no such issue. For me, there is no issue. There is a very quality issue that I feel, which is like रॉयल एनफील्ड से तुम क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट करोगे, और उनका जो क्वालिटी फिट एंड फिनिश है इट्स वेरी रॉ, इट्स नॉट दैट प्रीमियम. सो उसकी वजह से ये ऐसे इश्यूज आते हैं. एज ऑफ नाउ येस आई कैन टाइट इट आउट, बट मुझे एम्प्टी रोड्स अभी मिस नहीं करना है एज ऑफ नाउ. There are very rare situations where you get Mumbai roads, especially Mumbai Western Express Highway, this empty. So I am compromising a little, and I'm actually pretty late. I'm actually at like hours late to the destination. Today we are going Girgaon. It's Gudi Padwa Marathi Festival. It's a new year for Maharashtrian calendar. So we have rally at Girgaon. It's big rally. The roads are specifically a lot blocked for this occasion. Woo! That was a bad bump. Alright, I'm still in 5th gear. Alright, it's going out of my control now. I need to stop. Pit stop coming up. Pit stop coming up. There you go, 4th gear, 3rd gear, 2nd, 1st, neutral. Why you give up on me, bro? Alright, there you go. Okay, I'm not wasting my time now. Let's go. There you go. My baby. Why was his indicator on? I don't know. There was no reason actually. There are two types of people. The people who give indicator even if they want to change lane, which is very good. They should do that. And there are these type of people जो lane के बीच में चला रहा है बैंड का लौड़ा. And why am I even complaining? I'm driving in Mumbai, India. So there's no point in complaining about who is doing and what on the road. You're just used to it. Mumbai kar. Lane तो बने भी नहीं है. And then there are bikers like me. जो एक क्रूजर बाइक को स्पोर्ट्स बाइक की तरह चला रहा है. आई नो अभी कमेंट्स में बहुत लोग बोलेंगे अरे यू आर राइडिंग मीटियोर, इट्स अ क्रूजिंग बाइक, यू डोंट हैव टू राइड इट दैट हार्श, यू डोंट हैव टू टेक इट टू 100 एंड ऑल. आई एम लाइक भाई दिस इज अ हाइब्रिड. ये मॉडल बना ही इस चीज़ के लिए है, ठीक है. दिस मॉडल इज नॉट मेड फॉर specifically for cruising. This is Meteor 6 Super 650 is the one made for cruising. After that, उनका जो Continental variant है, which Continental GT 650 वगैरह, उनको तुम cruising में ले जा सकते हो. Every 650cc model of Royal Enfield can be taken for cruising. We are talking about 350 segment यहाँ पे, और ये segment में ये जो बाइक है, it's built for city as well. Okay, it's not just built for cruising. And my majority, like 60% of my rides are in city, so I drive it like a city bike. There are specific trips जहाँ पे मैं इसको लंबे ड्राइव पे लेके जाता हूँ. At that time I do a maintenance phase पहले कि यार पहले इसको chain loop कर लिया, get it clean and then get it out. ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. So it's not what. Ew. Okay. पूरा मेरे कपड़े पे उड़ा वो कैंसर. Ew. It's frustrating, but ठीक है. बस see, उसका बेटा looks good, man. Wow, that's such a cute family, by the way. I love this curve. Woo! Let's go, let's go. Ouch. This is what I talk about fit and finish of the Royal Enfield. It's not like कि मैं इसको I cannot get it fixed, I cannot tighten up, but it does not stay tight, It just comes that way. I don't know, man. I have ride Triumph. I have, my friend has a Triumph. Triumph 400. That bike is so fit. उसका fit and finish क्या है मतलब? I can take that bike on an bumpy area, and उसका कुछ भी lose नहीं होगा. Whereas if a normal ride for these Mumbai roads can make mirrors loose, man. So ये चीज़ है. While if you're buying a Royal Enfield, understand this. You will get a very strong body. You will get a very metallic feel, strength feel. You will get that. That's not a problem. That's the actual the forte of Royal Enfield. However, the fit and finish is very, very, very raw. It's very raw. It feels like मैकेनिक ने अभी जस्ट बनाया है इस गाड़ी को और तुमको दे दिया है. कोई पॉलिश फिट एंड फिनिश नहीं है उसको, कोई पॉलिशिंग नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. एंड एज अ बाइक एंथुजियास्ट, अगर तुम रॉयल एनफील्ड को बेबी करना चाहो ना, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. देयर आर पीपल हु बेबी रॉयल एनफील्ड बाइक्स, कीप देम पॉलिश्ड क्लीन, लैमिनेशन वगैरह करके, लैमिनेशन PPF करके, they keep it that way. But at the end उसका जो मज़ा है रॉयल एनफील्ड का, it's to get it on road and get it dirty. निकालो आंसर, तोप है वो, build like a gun. It's a gun. Use it like a gun. Don't baby it. This is my personal opinion. I may be, you guys might be having contradictory opinions on that, but it's just me. I feel कि I should use it like a gun. हाँ, इसको अगर कुछ खराब होता है, I'll definitely pour my money into it. I pour my efforts there to get it fixed and everything. But yeah, I don't baby it, not at all. जब मैंने पहले वीडियोस डाले थे, I don't used to do any audio or anything. I don't even used to edit them. I shoot the video. I used to shoot in my iPhone. So just straight away from my gallery to YouTube channel. Straight away, no editing, nothing. And I used to get comments like, you're promoting rash driving, you're promoting this and that. I'm not promoting anything. What the fuck? जिसको influence होना होता है वो कैसे भी influence हो जाता है. एंड ड्राइविंग इज़ अ पार्ट जहाँ पे हर एक का पर्सनल ओपिनियन होता है कि मुझे कैसे गाड़ी चलाना है. एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट सिचुएशंस एंड योर एनवायरनमेंट, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. अगर एंजॉय द व्यू, आई शट माय माउथ. वाओ, KTM. The hallucinating beauty of Mumbai. All buildings.